In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickUp with OpenAI using the ClickUp API. Before we start clicking around, make sure you're in the correct ClickUp workspace after you log in. If you work in multiple spaces, double check the workspace name at the top so you don't configure the wrong one. You'll also need admin or API management permissions. Without those, the developer options won't appear. Finally, have your OpenAI API key ready. Treat it like a secret. Don't paste it in chats or screenshots and keep it out of shared documents. From your ClickUp home screen, head to the workspace avatar in the upper left corner and open Settings. On the left sidebar, under All Settings, you'll find ClickUp API. This is the developer area where you'll connect external services securely. Inside the ClickUp API section, create a new app. Click Create an app or the plus button and give your app a clear descriptive name like ChatGPT API integration or OpenAI Assistant. Add a short description noting that this app connects to OpenAI to power AI workflows in ClickUp. Clear naming and descriptions help teammates understand what this integration does at a glance. Next, configure the app by locating the field for an external API key or specifically an OpenAI API key. Paste your OpenAI key into that field. Think of this key like a password. Store a backup in a password manager or approved secret storage tool, and avoid keeping it in plain text files or unsecured notes. After you save, the key may appear masked with dots. That's expected and is a good security sign. When everything looks correct, click Save or Create App to lock in the configuration. ClickUp will securely store the key and make it available to tools, automations, or custom features that need to call the ChatGPT API from within your workspace. A quick note on what this setup actually does. It doesn't change any tasks on its own. What you've created is a trusted app that can securely talk to the ChatGPT API. That capability can then power features like task summaries, content generation, or enhanced automations you or your team build. If you don't see the ClickUp API options, your account likely lacks the required permissions, so ask a workspace owner or admin to review your role. If your key is rejected, sign into your OpenAI account to confirm the key is active, then try pasting again, removing any stray spaces or invisible characters. With the app created and the key connected, you can start building. Trigger AI responses from task changes, comments, or custom buttons, and wire up scripts or automations that bring ChatGPT directly into your ClickUp workflows. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.